I won't let my powers control me.
Back to work again.
It's the group.
I'm here.
Do you...
Recipient.
Is there any...
Clarity.
I'm always...
Recipient.
What? Me?
Back to work again.
It's
To the... I'm...
recipient.
I'm not a good person to kill time with. Got something to say?
Back to work again. Fun fact, butterflies know what the wind says. Back to work again.
Business. I'm ready. Claire.
Got something to say?
Everything.
I'm here.
Hey!
Go ahead, I'm listening.
It's the
Everything we
Today?
agree.
I'm here.
I'm a
recipient. I don't.
what do you
Pleasure. Claire.
Agreed.
Today?
The paperwork you...
Got something? I'm not a good person to kill time with. Got something to say?
Today?
Everything we need.
I'm not a good person to kill time with.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
I'm
Today.
I'm here. Recipient pleasure.
Hold on. What do you want? If you're that free, go buy me the latest suitcase.
Vax at work.
I'm ready.
Greetings.
I'm here.
Hold on. Let me get out whatever Kiramaru gobbled. Hey! What do you want? If you're that free, go buy me the latest suitcase. Me?
Recipient confirmed.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Got something to say? Don't worry, I'll control myself. Taking a shortcut down.
Here I am. Bingo.
Time. Take that! The city's mine!
Come on, let's fight. If only I had wings.
Why won't they just buzz off? Is this ever gonna end? My head's coming. Finally, some peace and quiet.
Taking a shortcut down. If only I had wings. Taking a shortcut down. If only I had wings.
Hi, how may I help you? These antiques have traveled far and wide, though they've yet to meet the right collector. Their bond with A-Bones should still be cherished. We need to store these anomaly antiques more carefully in the future to prevent customers and children from accidentally getting hurt.
Got something to say?
here. Is this package yours?
It's not mine.
Tagado says it's not his either.
Oops! We made fun of Takido for nothing. Not his, not mine, not Sakiri's, not Adler's. Whose is this? It's taking up a lot of space.
Some new antique?
I don't think it's part of Hotori's collection.
Huh? Wait, what's going on?
About half an hour ago, when I returned to the shop, I saw a courier making a delivery. The package wasn't addressed to any person, just a bone antique shop. I saw that she was in a hurry, so I simply gave my signature for the package. I may have made a mistake.
Maybe Kiromaru learned how to shop online?
Wait, check this out on Bagel.
Oh, what is it? Let me see! Mysterious puppets in Hetero. Performance art or terrible omen? Wait, doesn't this look just like the one in our shop? Are they from the same collection?
What's going on?
Seems that similar puppets appeared overnight in populated areas throughout Hetero. There are 5 of them so far. At first, people thought it was Giovanni's doing, some kind of puppet-themed art exhibition organized by the Dvorak's or something like that. Others thought it was a promotional event for Miss Ellie's puppet project 1,000 Faces, which has been trending. Until someone claimed it was the work of an anomaly that drains life out of humans to make puppets. That's when people started to take it seriously. OP claimed that one of his relatives was a victim, and if the anomaly isn't handled soon, Hetero will become a city of puppets.
Is it really that bad?
Mm-hmm. Anyway, people are afraid they'll be the next target, and more have been claiming that a certain puppet is someone they know, or even sharing close encounters with the anomaly. BAC has stepped in and urged citizens to exercise judgment, refrain from spreading rumors, and share relevant information to help the investigation.
So, the one our shop received is the 6th puppet? Wait, was the puppet still human not long ago?
Maybe it's better to get JTF involved.
I'll contact the Bureau.
Can't even chill this morning. Not all of us can skip beauty sleep and still be beautiful like that woman.
My apologies.
It's not your fault, it's someone else. Forget it. So who brought this thing? Take it away, dump it, I don't care. Don't let it mess with the shop's feng shui.
We got you covered, boss! JTF will be right here!
I don't see you getting excited about bringing customers over, and you're bringing JTF to the shop? You kids better not have stirred up trouble again.
Here's what happened.
In any case, we'd like you to come to BAC to assist with our investigation.
We'll have to leave the shop for a while. What do you think, Hotori?
Well, the business of the BAC matters more than ours, so we'll comply. But the BAC will compensate for missed working hours for Precious, Daff, and me.
Why am I included?
Of course. The BAC will provide reasonable compensation for losses incurred from taking up your time.
The shop isn't closing for the day. Someone needs to handle things until Adler gets back with groceries. Don't blow up the place while I'm gone.
All right, you can count on us.
Oh. When you're back, make sure you fill me in!
Okay.
Let's get ready to head out. The sooner we leave, the sooner we're back for my nap.
Why are you coming along?
Alphard woke me up this morning and invited me for a little chat. I thought it was about a bisu. The director's tea is going to taste even more bitter. Come on, let's go. I'll try to get some fawns out of her. Let's get ready to head out. The sooner we leave, the sooner we're back for my nap.
Why are you coming along?
Alphard woke me up this morning and invited me for a little chat. I thought it was about a bisu. The director's tea is going to taste even more bitter. Come on, let's go. I'll try to get some fawns out of her.
Greetings, everyone from A-Bone. ETD-6 is taking over this case. I'll introduce you to the operation lead in a moment.
If Nellie's handling the introductions personally, this must be quite the complicated case.
Since there's already online unrest, we decided to assign a team specializing in anomaly crimes and meme anomalies.
Anomaly crimes?
Those refer to human criminal incidents that involve the exploitation of anomaly characteristics, or espers.
So the Bureau suspects that this isn't the work of anomalies alone.
There are more and more divisions in the Enforcement Tactical Division nowadays.
The puppet from A-Bone has been transferred to TempCon. Please follow me.
After so many years, the Bureau's shabby elevator is still so slow. Why wouldn't Alphard spend her budget to upgrade it? She hired so many new employees.
Indeed. There have been many new hires after you left ETD.
This is awkward.
Precious, Dav. See you later.
Aren't you coming?
I'd love to hang around and meet teams I've never seen before, but my dear Director Alphard needs me for some grown-up discussions.
Is it about Abisu? Should I go with you?
Our Precious wants to feel the cool AC and expensive sofa, as well as the endless lectures from the director. She only asked for me, but I'm sure she wouldn't mind another one, especially one who's such a good kid.
You mean I don't have to go with you?
Don't worry, the containment level needs your expertise more. Next time there's a chance, I still won't drag you along to suffer. When you're done with your work, just head back. Don't wait for me. I just hope today's parent-teacher conference doesn't set a new record for length.
When I first came to the Bureau, Mint brought the anomaly to TempCon here, right?
Yes. TempCon manages anomalies and derivatives that we don't fully comprehend. Depending on the situation, they'll either be nullified or transferred to the Seleno compound for long-term containment. We're about to directly contact anomaly derivatives of unknown properties. That said, your safety is guaranteed.